Ever wanted to watch any live sports match, movie, or television show from around the globe for free? Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to download hidden free apps on your Amazon Firestick to unlock unlimited entertainment. Let us get straight into the solution. Step 1 is to download the Downloader application. Pull down to the Find icon on your home screen and select the magnifying glass. On the keyboard, type the letter D. Select Downloader from the search list. Click on it to get the application and let it download and install. Do not open the app yet. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2 is to unlock your developer options. Navigate all the way over to the settings icon on the far right. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options listed, click on About. Highlight your specific Fire TV stick name and click the center button on your remote 7 to 10 times. A pop-up will say you are now a developer. Back out one screen to see developer options listed. Turn on ADB debugging. Step 3 is to authorize unknown applications. Select Install Unknown Apps. Highlight the Downloader app and click it to turn it on. Press the Home button on your remote. Go to your apps list. Highlight Downloader. Press the 3-line button on your remote and select Move to Front. Open Downloader and choose Allow to give it file access. Step 4 is to access the hidden app portal. Click inside the search field to bring up the keyboard. Type the short code 370178 and click Next. This sends Downloader straight to the portal website. Once it loads, press the 3-line button on your remote and select Add Current Page to Favorites to save it. Scroll down the page to find the sports and movie categories. Find the app named AK, select it, and let it download. If a prompt appears, click Settings, go to Install Unknown Apps, and turn Downloader on. Click Back, select Install, and then click Done. Select Delete twice to clear out the installation file. Step 5 is to install your secondary streaming tools. Go back to the Downloaded Favorites page and scroll down to the purple F icon. Let the 5-second countdown finish. Pull down to bring up the blue bar, go across, and click the white download arrow. Click Install, click Done, and select Delete twice. Repeat this process for the BARTS application by clicking Download, bypassing the ad block, clicking Install, and deleting the setup file. Step 6 is to set up a media center. Go to your home screen, open the Kodi application, and select Continue. Go to Settings, select System, then Add-ons, and turn on Unknown Sources. Back out, open File Manager, and select Add Source. Type in the official media URL using the Shift key for the colon. Click OK and name the file. Back out to Add-ons. Select Install from Zip file, choose the named file, and select the zip. Go to Install from Repository, select Program Add-ons, and choose the Wizard application. Click Install, wait for the percentage meter, click Open, and select Continue to load the media build. Before you open any of these streaming apps, you must secure your connection. Your internet service provider can track and block these third-party applications. You need to use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. The NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments. Open the VPN app and click Connect to let it run quietly in the background. All your new applications are ready to use. Go to your Apps section, press the 3-line button on each new app, and move them to the front of your Shortcuts menu. You can now stream your favorite entertainment safely. Please hit the subscribe button to support TechVibes. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about these methods. Check out the description and pinned comments right now for the official NordVPN installation link. See you in the next video.